Well, I can't reach it from the front of the car. Did you hit the subscribe button yet? Well. Here we are, looking at the Monte Carlo because it wouldn't start. Why didn't it start? Because it ain't got no gas in the carburetor. So guess what we're going to do today? We're going to put some gas in the carburetor and cross our little fingers and hope that it starts. And I'm 6 foot tall, and that thing is tall. This thing has a it has an 18-inch lift on it. It is a quite nice car though. He's put some love into it. He's got a little bit more to do. He's going to be getting the weather stripping and all that stuff. Good thing is, it's not hard to find because they're quite popular and they made a lot of Monte Carlos. And people love to restore these things. But his paint looks a lot like mine. The difference is his gold is more of a yellow looking to me. Right here it looks a little bit more gold in the camera view, but it does look a little bit more yellow in person. His has a purple, and then the green. His green, they're pretty similar. Mine and his. However, the difference is his shows no flake. My truck will blind you in the sun. Doesn't look like it now, but mine goes blue, green, and gold. So we gotta take that air filter off. Then we're gonna dump some gas down the breather ports for the carb bowl. So let's do that now. Well, I can't reach it from the front of the car. So here we are. Ow. Now, I'm going to take this sucker off. This is a Holly carb on here. It's not factory. This is what we're going to be filling. It's both of those for each bowl. Got the bottle. Now we're going to dump it down in there. So just throw it on there and let it go. I'm just playing. Don't do that. Don't do that. There we go. Alright, so if you position it on top of your bottle, just like this, you still have to have a very smooth, steady hand. And gas likes to flop around a lot. So you're going to pause for a second. Then you want to go real slow. Don't drop the bottle. Alright, now it'll run straight down the screwdriver into the hole. Holy crap, son. Alright, now the back one. Sprayer, no spraying. So. There we go. Thank you. So smack it a couple times. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We came roaring out. Yeah. I know you want to see the carburetor spraying and doing its carbureted things. We're not going to do that right now. I don't want to put any more fuel in there, so I'm going to start it, let it run, and then afterwards I'll show you what you should see coming out of the sprayers. Yeah, so I am going to put this back on though, because it will help control the fire if there is one, and I really hope that there is not. I do have my fire extinguisher. No! Darn it! Where'd you go? Oh, please be somewhere right here. Bad idea. I'm just tasting the gas as I'm sitting right here. No. Okay. I don't think this is it either. Well, that is it. Will it run? Where's the key? Please no fires. Please no fires. to see if it shuts off. As long as there's no more air in the line, which as it's running, it's pulling a little bits of air out. Hopefully it's just fuel now though. Sometimes you might have to do this too. I've even seen it 3 times. Yeah, but this one seems like it's good. Dirty as all get out, but the deck's there. It does have a fold out screen. I gotta put that back up there still and get the vents back in. I already put the dash on the cover. This is a cover. Whoops, where am I going? This is a cover lay. Slides right on over it. So far, so good. It does have a big cowl that comes out here. It's actually right there. Everything is painted to match the outside, inside and outside. It's too much of the same color if you ask me. But yeah, very dusty in here. Yeah. So, it's going to have the digital dash. I will not be doing that. Smoky dokey going on there. Looking like Cheech and Chong up in here. Super dirty. But it's shiny. It's shiny. It's gotta be clean. Panels on. That's there. We already got those in the back. It's got, these are all painted. It's got a 6x9 right here. No longer does it have an armrest. The seats, I believe, he said he was going to do them in snakeskin, which would kind of match his other car. It was a green car that you might have seen out back there for a while. But it was a 1970 Pontiac Catalina. Here we got the 612s. They are infamous. You know, it took me quite a while to put it together and build it and make sure that everything was durable enough to take the walloping it's gonna get, because it's definitely gonna have a big walloping coming. So take this off. Sorry if it's a little shaky. What you're wanting to see, if you look right here, see that little copper looking piece, or bronze, sticking out? Watch. As soon as we go to pump it, boom, boom. It wasn't doing that at first.
Because you see, it's a Monte Carlo, and it's a Chevy. And with the Chevys, you get the Monte Carlo, you get the reliabilities, you get the everything. Okay? Okay.
So that concludes this for today.
we are done. The Monte Carlo beast is running. She's coming to get you. With them big ass wheels on it. I will get a video with the wheels coming soon.